Okay, so we were discussing that when the reduced level at the point where we want to supply water, if it is the same or if it is less than the required pressure, or that means the available pressure is less than the required terminal pressure for supplying water, then you have to construct an elevated reservoir, is it? That is what we were discussing. Now here imagine that we are having another point. So we have constructed another ground level elevated reservoir, and where your ground level at this point or the floor level at this particular point is, say the floor level at this particular point is 50. It is 50 point. Here it is 50. That means you are supplying water from an elevation of 50 down to the point where that again the ground level is 5. So then what will be the terminal pressure available here? It will be 50 minus the ground level. That means the elevation of this particular point is 5. So 50 minus 5. So that you have to deduct. So what will be the terminal pressure here? 50 minus 5 we have to deduct. That means that is the ground level, is it? So then what will be the loss? Say imagine that the loss is again 5. So then what will be the terminal pressure available? That is 40 meters, is it? So the available terminal pressure is 40 meters of water column or 4 kg per centimeter square, is it? Now the required pressure will be always more than the required pressure, or it is sufficient for supplying water to the point by gravity, is it? So this system, that means here we are considering a point where the raw water is pumped, from a lower point, that is plus 5, then to the treatment plant. Again from the treatment plant we are pumping water to an elevated reservoir, that is we are fixing the floor level of the tank as 50, so that you will be getting a terminal pressure of 40 or 4 kg per centimeter square at the point of distribution, is it? That is how we want to design or to fix the elevation of this particular overhead reservoir. Or this is the system of pumping and gravity combined. That is the combined pumping and gravity system. Okay, so this is the second type of distribution. Now the third one. So now we will discuss the third one. So what will be the third one? So we will discuss the third one, that is the pumping system. So here in this system, water is pumped directly into the distribution system to achieve the required pressure. This system is not common except in cases where the first two systems are not feasible. As the consumption varies daily and hourly, it is very difficult to maintain a constant pressure and same quantity at all the time. So here we will discuss the system first, then we will go on discussing what is the problem with this particular system. So here this is your raw water pumping station, and from the raw water you have treated your water. Then from there you are pumping water directly to the point where we want to supply. So here this is the point where we want to supply. Sorry, not that particular point. This is the supply point. This is the supply point. Okay. Now here you have to attain a pressure, that is the terminal pressure or the available head at this particular point. Say if it is 40 meters, say if here we want to supply water